Hit it with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that?
Happy Sunday, guys. It's a pretty chill day today, but my sister and I want to go to the farmers market to go buy some peppers for the house, because I've realized that buying peppers from actual or normal grocery stores is expensive. So I want to buy bell peppers and maybe some tomatoes and scotch bonnets. There was a place I saw on Instagram that I want to go check out. It's like 10 minutes away from here, so we're going to go check it out and buy some peppers. Hopefully the price is reasonable, because I'm expecting that it's a farmers market, so the price will be cheap, but who knows, it might not be as cheap as I'm thinking. I don't see the price on the website. Actually, online they don't have a website. I found the page on Instagram. I don't see any prices or anything like that, so I'm hoping that it's actually cheap. But yeah, buying bell peppers is so expensive in Canada, and yeah, so that's what I want to do. It's been a really chill weekend for me. I said what I said on Friday evening. Yesterday, Saturday, I pretty much had breakfast. We made burgers for breakfast, and then I went to take a nap, and I was pretty much just in and out of sleep throughout yesterday. I tried to edit my video for today because, you know, I'm trying to be consistent, so I decided to just edit a video. Even editing that video, I had to like coach myself to get out of bed. I'm like, Anike, stop being lazy and actually do the work instead of pushing it. So I'm glad I was able to get it done. I uploaded the video and it was like copyright claim, because it was the wedding that I went for in June. And I wish I could have added the original music to the video, because that would have made the video actually like more authentic, and you actually get the vibe or the feeling I had when I was there. But I could not put the original sound. I had to mute a lot of the sound, but I still wanted to post the video. So yeah, you guys will just have to help me enjoy the video without the original sound. Yeah, I'm just here waiting for my sister. I told her 12 o'clock, madam. It's already 12 o'clock. Guys, we are here at Kennedy Garden Center. They have a lot of plants. Of course, you know I like plants, so I'm excited about this. Let's start with the plant side, and then we'll go and look for the pepper. Guys, there's this plant that I really want. Oh, look at this. Is this pepper? What if we buy this and plant it in the backyard? What kind of... is this pepper? It looks like garden, yeah. The name is not on it. Oh, that's tomato. It's tomatoes. It's just not red yet. They sell vegetables, they sell peppers. Is this not what's this thing called again?
Eggplants.
Eggplants.
Yeah.
Let me show you guys. Eggplants. See that? Vegetable plants for 99 cents each. 99 cents each. So does that mean the tomato is also 99 cents? It makes sense to buy, you, so that we can be growing our own tomato in the house instead of having to come and be buying tomatoes. They sell honey. So this bucket of tomato is $5.99. Is it cheap? No. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. We're just looking around. When we are ready to pay, do we just come to the front?
Yeah, and the cash register.
Okay.
If you need some box, and this way.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That is so nice. Oh, let me see if they have the pothos plant, because I would like to have that. If they have it, I'm definitely buying it. It looks almost something like... it looks like this. Is that it? Oh my gosh, is that it? There's no name on this one. They even have onions. Oh, we can buy. I'm definitely buying scotch bonnet. Bell peppers. How much is this one? 99 cents each. Do they mean like each as in this, or do they mean like the bucket?
What?
Guys, no, I'm just checking if the smaller one is better. because we're not really buying much like that. What is this one? Is this pepper?
Yeah.
Sweet peppers. Oh my gosh.
That one.
Should we buy?
Why?
So we can plant it now.
Let's
Purple bell sweet. This is the purple sweet peppers. How much are they selling it? I wish the price was clear.
see. This is in front.
No way.
It's not private.
This one is giving choco.
Mm.
Is it not giving choco?
I don't know.
Choco yokoto. Olobelo locker. 4.99. 24.
Don't make mistake. Habanero.
Maybe we should buy these buckets.
14.
Yeah, let's buy these buckets. The bell peppers I came for, I'm not seeing a lot of it though. Because I really wanted bell peppers. That's one I actually saw that I was like, oh, let's come and buy. Okay guys, we're thinking maybe checking another place because they don't have bell peppers. I mean, they have green bell peppers, but it's, oh my gosh, they have flower plants. They have flower plants. Guys, I can't help myself. Look at this. Let me show you around. Let me show you around. I can imagine this is going to grow into, we can even put it in front of the house.
People do now.
How much is this? 99.99. How much is this one? 37.99. This yellow one is so cute. So cute. Oh, guys. Guys. Look at this. So beautiful. There's even like, there's mango. Is that pear? That's a pear plant right there. Or is this pear? What fruit is this? Oh yeah, pear. Right there. How much is this? 110. That's not even bad. This is apples. This is apple plant or tree. I don't even know what it's called. So is this a tree? That's really nice. This is so nice. Alright guys, we got the Scotch bonnet. We are going to pay for that and then head out. There's another farmer's market that is not too far away. I want to go check that out. Why is there a plane making noise right now? I'm going to go check out that farmer's market and buy bell peppers because I really want to buy bell peppers. That's really why I came outside today. I don't want to have to. Elaine, your photo. Madam, did you come here for photo shoot? Hey guys, I just paid for the Scotch bonnet. It was like $15. Now I want to go to another farmer's market that is not too far away, like 5 minutes away. Because I really want bell peppers. So I want to go and see the happy. But I can literally come back here for some fruit plants and like veggies, some veggie plants like tomatoes, bell peppers, apples, you know, all those things. They have them and it's not like ridiculously expensive. So eventually if I want to do that, I can come here. Anyway, let's start heading out. And she even asked me for my TikTok because she wanted to check me out on TikTok. I'm popular. Okay, let's be going. Guys, guys, we are here at Caledon Farm Market. We're in the middle of nowhere.
That's video me.
This one wants to be popular by fire by force because they are coming on my video. No, don't you know I have like millions of followers? I've got millions. I've got millions of followers. Millions. A million hundred. We should have brought our bag. Yeah, because now I'm looking at this thing. I feel like we need a bag or something. Or we need to carry all these things. Yeah, to plant your seeds. What's this thing? I don't know. Guys, leave a comment. What's this? How do we pack tomatoes now? This is $1.99 per pound. We need something to use. The bell peppers here is $2.99 per pound. Pack. There's no way to know how many pounds we are packing, but just pack enough. I don't see the one you can cook. Just they don't have red bell pepper. How come nobody is selling red bell pepper like this? This is spinach. Smusher. We just finished from the Caledon Farmers Market and the lady was like we should tag her on Instagram, but I wasn't even vlogging for Instagram, I'm vlogging for YouTube. But anyway, if you guys are in this area, check them out. Farmers Market, they have some stuff and it wasn't so expensive. Everything we got was like $35. We got green bell peppers, some okra, tomatoes, and that was it. And it was like 35, and we got a lot of stuff too, right? It wasn't just small amounts, it was quite a lot, and it was $35 all together. So yeah, not so bad. So you guys check out farmers markets. If you are not into farmers markets, make sure you are going to your farmers market near you and taking advantage of these deals, especially during summer. They are harvesting all these things, so they are cheap. Okay. I was going to get eggs too. The other place we went to add eggs, but I didn't see them displayed, so I kind of forgot about it. So now I'm thinking, should we go to another farmer's market to see if we can find red bell peppers? Because for some reason it seems like the red bell peppers are not yet harvested or grown. I don't know. Yeah, they've not harvested the red bell peppers, so we don't have them, or they don't have them. Anyway, I just said let me update you before I start driving. I may or may not go to the next one. It's just down this road, it's not even far away. I even saw spinach. I think I showed you the spinach. I saw spinach. It's just I don't like doing the work of chopping the spinach and preparing it to cook, so I'd rather buy the one that's already frozen. Okay, I don't care if the nutrients is not as much. I don't care. I'd rather buy the one that is frozen already. So yeah, anyway, let me start heading out. Guys, we are at our final. Come, let's take picture. Let me take picture of me in this just with this background, because you know we are walkabouting today. We might as well create content with it. Guys, we just got to Downey's Farmers Market, and this place seems like there's a lot more going on here. I feel like there's even a farm we can walk around. I don't know if you need to pay to walk around. Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. No wonder people bring their children here, because you can do things here. Oh, you need to buy tickets to be able to walk around. See, there's a goat walk right down there. So if you want to use the play area, you have to buy a ticket. But we are not here to use the play area. Guys, you can bring your children here on Sundays to have fun. We're going to the store. So we're going to the store to see what they have. We're not really planning to buy much.
Yeah. I think in my place. Show me, Joe.
Somebody should come and collect this girl. She's for sale. She's for sale. I'm selling her. Come and collect her.
Don't sell me.
Anyways, let me show you the inside. Not saying I'm Wonder Woman, but you've never seen me. I'm Wonder Woman in the same room. Have you? Have you? Show them. Have you? I'm just saying I am Wonder Woman. We have jams and sausages and apple butter. We have a lot of things. Like pickle stuff. We have that as well. We have some ciders, sparkling ciders. How much is it? I wish the price is clear. Ooh, they have eggs. I want to buy eggs. Oh, nice. Egg flat is $16.99. It's not cheap compared to the other place I go. Oh, the egg is cracked.
Guys, peep the forehead.
I swear. Let it be. Just walk around and see what they are. This place smells so good. It smells really good. Should we get the chocolate banana loaf or should we just get the banana loaf?
Choco. Anyone?
I'm leaning towards chocolate because I like chocolate. Guys, we came here for peppers, but they don't have peppers. Have you tried? How do you know it's nice? I don't like it. It's not my kind of smell. Try this hat. Put your head.
Not my type.
Try that. Cowgirl.
Okay.
Guys, we just finished from Downey's Farmers Market. This area is really good. If you have kids, you can bring them here. There's a play area. You can bring your children, play. There's just a lot to do, okay? So but we didn't find bell peppers. We came here for bell peppers. I thought it was going to be that kind of farmers market where they sell bell peppers, but we ended up buying banana loaf, chocolate and banana loaf, and ice cream. You know, it's hot outside, just to chill our nerves. We've tried today. Okay, we've tried today. So yeah, to be like, get out. So yes, we are heading back to the house now. We have finished spending money that we did not plan to spend, but yeah, I had a good time. Guys, I'm back to the house. I want to do a haul of everything I got. I know I kind of explained everything I got, but I also want to, oh, this is not hot. I also want to show you this bag of Scotch bonnets was $15. Let me know, is it worth it? Would you buy this amount for $15, or do you think it's expensive? I want to know what you guys think. Let me know. I'm thinking, should I? No. Okra, I didn't collect my receipt, but everything I got from the second place was $35. I didn't collect the receipt, so I don't know exactly what this ended up being specifically, but I got some okra. Tomatoes, I got 2 bags of tomatoes, I think. Yeah, 2 bags of tomatoes, so we can make stew eventually. Oh, did you put the receipt? Okay, they put the receipts, but they didn't list out like each individual item, but they just put the total price, which was $35. So I got this, I got this, I got this, okay, and this from the farmers market, the same place for $35. What do you guys think? I think that's good, right? That's a good deal. That's a good deal. Man. And then the last place we went to, we got banana. I think I showed you this already. We got this banana loaf. It's chocolate banana loaf. I'm excited to try it out. It was $8.99. We also got ice cream, which was like $5 something. It was like one small, yeah, this small container of ice cream. It was really good. It's really good. So yeah, thank you for coming out with me. This is everything that I got from my Waka Waka today. I feel like it's a pretty good deal. I wanted to buy red bell peppers, but I could not find red bell peppers, so we're going to do green bell peppers and probably try to make ofada sauce ish, you know, ofada ish sauce or ayamashi. Ayamashi does not need tomatoes, so it's just bell peppers for ayamashi and scotch bonnet, which I have a lot of. So yeah, we are set. I'm planning to also make, have to make the okra at some point this week. Have to make the okra. Yeah, let me take this to the freezer and freeze them. Let me see if I can find something on Netflix that I can watch and just chill for the rest of the day. Tomorrow is a public holiday, so there's no work tomorrow, which is amazing. So more rest for me this whole weekend, okay? Because your girl needs it. I need a rest. Yeah. Happy Saturday, guys. Oh my gosh, I just came back from a group workout class, and when I tell you I wanted to pass out, it's not even that. It wasn't even the intensity that was the problem for me. What was the problem was the fact that my knees wanted to give out. I don't know what's going on. I think I might have to actually see a doctor about my knee, especially my left knee. It was hurting so bad. Like usually I feel pain on my knees, right? Like around my knees I feel pain, but this one felt really, really painful, and almost like any small movement would kind of like ruin the whole thing. Like I would pass out. I got there late, right? I was meant to get there at 8:30. I got there at exactly 8:30. So in my own definition, that was late because you're meant to come a little early to set up your area of working out and whatnot. But thankfully, there was a lady there that was like, she saw how confused and lost I was, and she was just like, do you want help? Is this your first time? I was like, yes. And she helped me kind of like put all the setup together. I'm gonna leave pictures. I tried making videos, but maybe if I had gone earlier, I would have figured out a setup for videos, but I just could not figure that out. Anyway, today is Saturday and I'm done my workout for the day, so I feel proud of myself. If you guys can see. Okay, exercise ring closed, movement ring closed. I burnt a lot of calories. 308 calories this morning. It was high intensity, guys. It was high intensity and full body workout as well. So it wasn't just, you know, upper body or lower body, it was full body. So I've really like done a lot today. Yesterday was rest day for me. I went to the gym Monday to Thursday and I decided to just rest on Friday because I've done a lot this week. So for next week, it's looking like I might not be able to go as often. But again, that's what I say because when I'm on my period, I don't like to go I don't like to go to the gym, but we'll see. I will still end up going. I know myself. Maybe just light workout as usual, depending on how I'm feeling. Anyway, it's Saturday. I'm making my coffee right now. I'm about to start breakfast. I turned off the lights because this light is still blinking. We've still not fixed it. So let me open the window so we can see me well. You see me well in here. Okay, so I'm thinking let's make potatoes and egg for breakfast, and I'm also trying to clean the dishwasher. When I tell you, in Nigerian households we use a lot of oils for our food, especially palm oil, and it's kind of like stained the entire dishwasher. It's not that the dishwasher does not wash well, it washes well, but just the way it looks is just it's disgusting to me. So I decided to just wash it. Let me show you what it looks like. Right, I tried washing it yesterday, but there was still like some residue left. Anyway, I googled it and saw that if you make a baking soda paste, it will help to take out the grease or the oil. So yeah, that's where we are at right now. Let me just show you what it looks like. So just the paste all over. I'm going to run the dishwasher on I'm going to run it on the machine clean mode. For this mode, you don't want to put any dishes in there. I'm going to also use vinegar to help, make it better. Guys, we need to talk about how vinegar and baking soda is the solution to everything. Like vinegar and baking soda, you can usually use vinegar and baking soda for anything. To use it to clean, use it to cook. I'm just like, how did they discover these things? Like, how did they discover that these two products are just very, very efficient? They're very, very useful in every area, like not just to clean but also to cook. Anyway, let me do that right now, and then I'm thinking making potatoes and egg for breakfast this morning. Not compare myself to people, but bro, if most people can do this and my own knees like paining me like this, there's certain moments we had, it's just my knee that is the problem. Was she not selling fruit? Because that person not selling the fruit. Actually, you know what? Let me ice my knee because this pain is ridiculous. Guys, I got this it's kind of like it's slippers, but it has like, but it's also a cold compress or a warm compress depending on what you need it for. I gave this one to my parents. I gave this to my parents, and I don't even know where I dropped my own. But yeah, I'm going to place this on my knee to help my life. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to wait about 20 minutes and then check on the potatoes. Yeah. Guys, my knee pain is so bad. It is so bad. Just myself. I don't even know if you guys can see. Do you see that line? It burns. Anyway, let me go eat. At this point, I'm tired. Food is served. Happy Sunday. I'm here trying to make moi moi this beautiful Sunday afternoon. I'm using powdered bean powder. I'm using bean powder to make the moi moi. I don't like using powder, to be fair, so I'm really hoping it comes out right. I followed the instruction on the packaging, which says to make a paste, wait 15 to 20 minutes, and then add more water if you're using it for moi moi, or use it like that, or a little bit more water if you're using it for akara. So let's hope it comes out right. But I wanted to show you guys my knee. I got a knee injury because I was working out. It's not just because I was working out, because during the workout, that was when I felt the pain. But instead of me to stop, I said that I'm going to continue. I can push through it. Guys, don't be like me. When you start feeling pain, stop what you're doing. But I was just like, no, because it was a group workout class, right? So I was thinking, everybody is doing this thing. Why would I not be the only one just standing and not following the exercise? But I should have listened to my body and actually stopped, because now the pain is not going. It's been like this since yesterday, and I've used ice. I've taken pain medication several times. I took it like twice yesterday, not several times. I've not taken today, but maybe I should take again this morning. But the point is, the pain is not going away. It still feels very painful. Like, generally, if I'm just sitting like this, I don't feel the pain. But when I try to bend my knee, or, use the bathroom where you actually have to, bend down, it's so painful. So I'm literally like having to stretch my leg while I'm trying to sit down so that I don't feel the pain. When I'm trying to climb the stairs, it hurts. At this point, I don't even know, maybe it's a good idea to go see a doctor so that way they can figure out what's going on. But I used ChatGPT. ChatGPT said, try to manage it yourself, do conservative management, rest, ice it, do some some recovery exercises with the knee, so that way, just let it do your thing for 2 to 4 weeks. And if after 4 weeks the pain is not getting better, then you should go see a doctor. So that's what I'm trying to do now. Hopefully it gets better. But let me show you what's the situation right now. So this is the situation right now. I have this ice pack on it. I have this leg brace or knee brace that I just have over my knee, just to kind of like keep immobilized, because my knee be shifting up and down, okay? And then I'm just using this ice pack over it. It's no longer cold anymore anyway. Well, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Anyway, let me show you. Jesus. Just getting up was painful. Open this so you can see me better. I think this fish is done boiling. The good thing about mackerel is that it boils quickly. So I'm going to... This is the... You know what? Let me just flip my camera. So this is the paste. I'm going to add more water now. And then see how it comes out. For me, if you really go, just keep it tight. Not transfer powder. Now we can start. Does not want to wash anything. Talk about laziness. I should have started this thing earlier. Which kind of hunger is this? I'm so hungry. I can't I'm ready now. Okay, so try it. I'm going to put everything at the same time. So I'm just putting it in a plate right now. So when everything is ready, I'll put it in the pot so that way one does not cook faster than the other one. That's fine. It's not me you're talking to. Moi moi is ready. Let's see what it looks like. Let's taste. Test. It tastes just like moi moi. That's really good. I'm going to have this with oats. I'm just making my oats in the microwave right now.
She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab.